Navigating a Turbulent World. Top 10 Global Threats in 2024 as 2024 unfolds. A complex and interconnected web of threats hangs over the world. Here's a concise overview of the top 10 most pressing. Geopolitical fragmentation. The ongoing Ukraine conflict tops the list due to its immediate and widespread impact, threatening regional stability and potentially escalating into a wider conflict. 2. Unforeseen A risks. The rapid development of AI holds immense potential but also carries the risk of misuse, requiring robust governance frameworks to ensure responsible development. 3. Climate change and environmental degradation. These existential threats demand immediate action as they pose long term risks to livelihoods and global stability. 4. A fragile global economy. Inflation, rising interest rates, and potential economic slowdowns create a vulnerable global economic landscape. 5. As intended underscored, deep societal and political divisions within the United States raise questions about its ability to maintain global leadership, potentially leading to international uncertainty. 6. Resource scarcity competition. Growing demand for essential resources, coupled with supply chain disruptions, fuels concerns about increased competition and potential conflicts between nations. 7. Cyber threats. The sophistication and frequency of cyber attacks pose a significant threat to critical infrastructure, data, and national security. 8. Food insecurity, malnutrition. Ongoing global challenges contribute to rising food insecurity and malnutrition, particularly in vulnerable regions. 9. Public health threats pandemics. Strengthening public health infrastructure and fostering global cooperation remain crucial to address pandemics. 10. Information warfare disinformation. The spread of misinformation online poses a significant threat to democratic institutions and social cohesion. By acknowledging these interconnected threats and fostering international cooperation,